I don't want to go to school anymore. That bully is making my life miserable. I wish one day I can make his life miserable.
Hello, little one. You have 3 wishes.
Really? I wish...
But wait, I heard you earlier, so before you make a wish, I don't want you to make any dumb decisions. So whatever you wish for, your bully gets 100 of.
What? Fine. I wish to receive $10 million.
Done. Now your bully has $1 billion.
What? Okay, well, I wish to receive a private island.
Okay, well now your bully has 100 private islands.
Are you serious? Okay, for my last wish I won't be able to breathe for 1 minute.
Okay, and now your bully won't be able to breathe for 100 minutes. Wait.
Oh, great heavens!